Good afternoon, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to change the oil in this Honda GCV 160 engine on my Husqvarna HU 700F push mower. We're going to use this homemade oil extractor that you connect a vacuum cleaner to, and that small vacuum over there. First we're going to start the mower and let it run for a few minutes to warm up, just enough that we get that oil to flow nice and easy. Alright, we'll just let it sit for a couple minutes, let all the oil drain down so we make sure we get as much out as we can. Take the end of our vacuum hose and put it on our hose connection here. Take your extraction tubing, put it on this barb fitting here, turn your vacuum on and it'll start sucking in this hose here and capture it in this jar. Go ahead and pull the dipstick out, set it aside, and then we'll just turn our vacuum on. Hopefully you can see that filling up. Alright, well, let's let this go and I'll bring it back when we're finished. Looks like we got it all out. If you like these videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. Alright, now we're going to take this funnel here. It's got a valve on it so you can control flow. And it's labeled so you can measure out how much oil you're putting in. I believe this engine holds 12 or 13 ounces. Put 12 ounces into this funnel. And 12. I don't know if you can see that or not. It should be right about 12 ounces. Go ahead and open this valve. And always double check when you're done the oil level in your engine. There, hopefully you can see the oil we took out using the extractor and the vacuum cleaner. If you'd like one of these, check out my how-to video and I go through the steps to making it, and there's links in the description of that video for where you can get the parts. I think I've linked everything except for the pickle jar that I used. Alright, that's it for this oil change on my Honda GCV 160. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.